In this backlink profile case study, you'll see how a fashion blog struggled with thousands of spammy backlinks from past campaigns, with disavow tools not being effective at cleaning up their link profile. Traditional methods failed. New quality links weren't improving rankings, suggesting the toxic backlink profile was too deeply entrenched to overcome through conventional means. Strategic domain switch. The blog moved to a .com domain while preserving their brand identity and selectively redirecting valuable content and links. Fresh start. The domain migration provided a fresh start, effectively resetting the backlink profile while keeping their brand equity intact. Here's a pro tip to improve results. They could have staged a migration approach, could have helped identify truly harmful links and preserved potentially valuable backlinks. And here are the key takeaways. This fashion blog tackled toxic backlinks by moving to a new domain, effectively resetting their link profile and providing a clean slate for future growth. If you want to boost buyer traffic, get more conversion and increase profits, then visit emarketingchamps.com. Today,